Okay, let me share my screen. Today on Gino's Gym, I'm going to talk about step one for a trader, especially day traders. This is step one, or at least one of the beginning steps of your day every day. And it's a very important step. It is called prep. It's called prepping the market. Now, when you prep the market, no matter what you're trading, your watch list, you might have stocks you're trading, you might have ETFs, futures, foreign currency. Almost every professional or excellent day trader I've met, and we're going to be talking about how you get involved in that in our day trading course, is market prep. And the major market is the benchmark, the S&P. You go to the S&P, you put your horizontals in there. You grab your level, you put your horizontals in there. But what we use as traders and day traders is we go to a product, which is the S&P futures. It is the ES Mini. Why? Because I can put my horizontals there. We'll do it on a weekly. You know, all your horizontal support and resistance right here. You can see we cleared that one here. I'm just going to throw a couple of them. Here's the next little target breakdown. You start with the weekly, long term. You break it down into a daily. You put your support and resistance horizontals. But most importantly, as a day trading and market prep for the day, I want to drop down to a 15-minute. Now, why do I do this? Because you can see the gray area here. This gray area is, let me just mark it from here to there, is what we call overnight action. The actual market is closed. It opens up, 9:30 Eastern, 6:30 Pacific, right here where it turns dark. But it's the overnight action highs and lows where I want to find certain trigger points. So I come in here, throw my horizontals on there. That's step number one. I like to put my horizontals, the high and low overnight is right here. And you can see as we're bumping up against that right now during the market. Now, this is Friday's close. I'm just going to use Sunday afternoon's open. Here's the low point, and you're going to get some major pivots on a 15-minute chart. And I want to show you how important this is because here's the low from overnight action, and you can see how we're using that right here. So now I know where support and resistance is intraday. And if I zoom in on this, I can actually get a better idea of trend points, where to go bullish, where to go bearish. And I can see from midnight last night, you can see the volume kicking in. This is another very important point, the European Open. I can see where volume is and where that high and low is. And then from there, I can add all my indicators that I use to trade the intraday patterns. So there it is. That is step one. I'm using a 15-minute, and then during the day, I'll drop down to a 5-minute to even get more support and resistance breakouts. And you can see here how this is helping me out with support and resistance. And so this is telling me stay bullish. I'm up against resistance. I can make better decisions intraday no matter what I'm trading because I know if the market's turning bullish, usually the tide lifts all boats. And if it starts to turn bearish, I can get a quick signal on that to help me go and predict what else I'm trading. It might be a stock, it might be a sector, what have you. So I'm using a 5 and 15. Some traders use a 10 and 30, a lot of different time frames. This is step one, and it was real easy, real simple, horizontal support and resistance, high and low overnight. That's step one for pretty much every day trading routine. It's one of the first things you do before the market opens. For step two, you're going to have to stay tuned for that next week or be there when we kick off our day trading routine and show you step by step how to walk through the day trading market prep. This is a Gino gem, a very important one. Put that in your daily routine. See you next time.